kind of ruined our trust with you there, pal.
I
spoke with her earlier tonight. You should have listened the first time.
That's all. I was trying to walk around to free my mind. Everybody wanted to kick me out. And they wanted me to walk in this rain. I didn't want to walk in the rain.
Yeah, you popped 3 of the 4 tires.
On April 5th, 2023, officers responded to a confirmed vehicle theft in progress at an Avis Car Rental facility. A civilian witness had already contacted 911 after observing the suspect moving between parked vehicles and falsely claiming to be an employee. That witness statement, combined with the suspect's observed conduct, established probable cause for arrest before officers made physical contact a legally critical threshold.
Stop driving now! Get your hands up! Turn off the car!
Or the spike strips, so should have a couple friends.
Get out! Get out the ground!
Get on the ground!
Get on the ground! Get your hands on the ground! Do it now! Get on the ground! I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Please don't. Please don't. Could you hit me in the back? Please don't. Please don't.
We're placing him in custody right now.
I have not been knowing what's been going on.
Roll over!
I have not been knowing what's going on.
Stop resisting!
Get to your hands! Get to your hands! Get to your hands! I'm fighting with that!
Come on, I didn't do nothing wrong! Get on the ground now!
This is not real.
Put your hands behind your back! There you go!
Hey, where do you need to go?
This is not real. Come on!
He's running on 119.
Westbound eastbound lanes from car rental.
The white male! Black backpack!
When the suspect attempted to drive a white Subaru through the exit perimeter, he drove directly over deployed spike strips, destroying 3 of 4 tires. Under the Fourth Amendment, the deployment of spike strips constitutes a seizure. The legal question is whether that seizure was reasonable. Courts have consistently held that spike strips are a lawful pursuit termination technique when officers face a fleeing felon, a standard rooted in Tennessee v. Garner, 1985. Garner permits force sufficient to stop a fleeing suspect when that suspect poses a significant threat to officers or the public. Here, both conditions were present. Once the vehicle was stopped, officers initiated physical restraint. This use of force must be evaluated under the framework established in Graham v. Connor, 1989. Graham instructs that force be assessed from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of decision, not with the benefit of hindsight. 3 factors govern: the severity of the underlying crime, whether the suspect posed an immediate threat, and whether the suspect actively resisted. On Factor 1, operating a vehicle without owner's consent is a felony in most American jurisdictions. The severity threshold is clearly met. On Factor 2, the suspect had just driven through a law enforcement perimeter, demonstrating both awareness of the officer's presence and willingness to use the vehicle as a means of escape. On Factor 3, Bodycam audio captures officers issuing repeated lawful commands before physical contact. The suspect physically resisted those commands after making contact with the ground. All 3 Graham factors support the force applied. No firearm was drawn. Control techniques remain proportional to the level of resistance documented on camera.
Shoot you! I'm gonna shoot you! Let's go now.
Here's our hit!
The location!
Service line! Enter the service line!
What's in your hand?
You kind of ruined our trust with you there, pal.
I
Spoke with her earlier tonight. You should have listened the first time.
Man, I'm not all there. I'm not all there right now, man. I just need help. That's all. I was trying to walk around to free my mind. Everybody wanted to kick me out. And they wanted me to walk in this rain. I didn't want to walk in the rain. Thank you guys for not shooting me. I appreciate that. I really do. I was indecisive. I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know where to go. I didn't know what to do. I just felt like I did what was right. My name? That felt great though. It did feel pretty good. That was my favorite. Thank you. You got my... I'm just curious. Alright.
Hi, are you the one that called?
No.
No?
I'm one of the managers. Just
Okay.
for you.
So you don't know what's going on then? Okay. So we got our dispatch, got a 911 call from somebody in the structure here
Freeman.
that, said that they thought somebody was trying to steal one of the cars. Turns out he was. Tried to get away in one of your guys' white Subarus.
The one I was just talking
Yeah.
about.
And then he had another set of keys with him. So I need to find where that car is and just make sure he didn't like damage it or leave anything in it, like a gun or anything.
CRV.
Probably checking.
That'll be my guess because he said that
That's what
he
we-
drove over the spikes.
Yeah, he popped 3 of the 4 tires.
So I'm guessing that might be in returns. I've not gone back there yet.
And then I need to talk to the guy that called, if you know who it is.
Yeah, he's like here as well.
And I figured you guys probably want your keys back, so.
Following arrest, officers conducted a witness interview with the Avis facility manager, properly establishing an independent corroborating account for the chain of probable cause. The officer's discovery that the suspect possessed a second set of rental keys is legally significant. Under Chimel v. California, 1969, a search incident to arrest permits seizure of items within the suspect's immediate control. Those keys, indicating potential access to a second vehicle, fall squarely within that authority and would support a lawful expanded search of the facility. The suspect was charged with 3 offenses: operating a vehicle without owner's consent, 2 counts of resisting arrest, causing tissue damage, and criminal damage to property. The resisting charges carry particular weight. The tissue damage element elevates what might otherwise be a misdemeanor into a more serious offense in most state criminal codes. Criminal damage to property is fully supported by the physical evidence: 3 destroyed tires on a vehicle the suspect had no legal right to operate.
Alright. So I'll get his statement, and then if you want to come back with me to the sub, and I'll just get you all the information.
I'll wait back here for you guys.
Okay. Well, you know what? I don't want to have to walk all the way back over there. The sub's right there, so I'll just get your statement real quick. Alright, what is your last name? And then you just want to tell me real quick kind of what you saw.
Northbound 45.
I saw, that car right there. He was moving around.
In the car?
Yeah, he was moving around in the car. I know it wasn't supposed to. Cars moving.
So he was in the black car, like sitting inside of it?
Yeah, like when I looked up, see, I'm back there. So, I didn't even notice that he was there until the car started moving. When he moved, towards me, I saw it, and then he tried to tell me that, he was working here or whatever, but I knew that wasn't true, so I...
When you approached him, what did you say to him?
I said, hey, I said, what are you doing? And then he started trying to say, like, he worked here, and he was in the car. I said, I didn't see you coming in or nothing like that, I said, I've been sitting over here the whole time, and I haven't seen anybody come in. And then he, once
So he told you he was working?
Yeah.
Okay.
And once, he said that, I know what was up, and I just kind of like backed off, and got somewhere where I could make a phone call, and I called 911, and he was still moving around. He parked that car and got into another one, and he rolled down here, but he couldn't get out because, the cars are down there.
So did you see him get out of that one and get in another one?
Yeah, I saw him when he got out. And then when he,
And then you saw him getting the Subaru?
right.
Okay.
You know, that's when he was asking me what kind of car he had. I couldn't tell from the distance, you know, so I just told him it was a white car that he was in.
Okay.
And, he went back out that way, you know, so he must have didn't know about the spikes.
410.
You know, and as soon as he went out, the tires got popped. And then I told them to hurry up, you know, because he's going out the back. And I guess they caught him right out back out.
Yeah, we caught him over there.
Yeah. It happened around about, you know, about 3:55 a.m.
Okay. So you knew that he wasn't supposed to be back here?
Right, he wasn't supposed to be back in.
Okay.
That's why I noticed, you know, like when I saw a car moving, you know, all cars that I know that I'm dealing with come this way in parts, you know, but something just moving because I didn't even hear nothing come off of, you know, coming in.
Okay.
So he must have came off the side somewhere. He didn't notice me over there or something, you know, and he just started to proceed to go out. But I saw him when he started moving the car.
Okay. And that was it? After that you called 911?
Yeah, I called 911.
Okay. And then you didn't see anything after he drove away?
No, when he drove away, that's when I was still on the phone with your group, and that's when I told him hurry up because he's going out the back.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
All right.
Officers receive a B+. Spike strip deployment was proactive, tactically sound, and legally justified. Verbal commands preceded physical contact consistent with de-escalation protocol. The witness interview demonstrated methodical investigative technique, and radio communication of the secondary suspect was timely. No excessive force was applied at any documented stage. The deduction from a perfect score reflects overlapping commands from multiple officers during the ground restraint. A unified command structure would have improved compliance probability. The subject receives a C-. His conduct reflects a sequence of escalating criminal decisions: unauthorized vehicle access, attempted flight through a law enforcement perimeter, and active physical resistance resulting in officer injury. His verbal statements expressing remorse and acknowledging he was not mentally well are noted and may carry mitigation value at sentencing, but do not offset the documented conduct. His initial deception of the civilian witness falsely claiming employment indicates premeditation, which undermines any argument that the incident arose purely from mental health crisis. 3 lessons emerge from this incident. First, probable cause built on a credible civilian eyewitness, combined with bodycam documentation, creates a legally durable arrest record. Second, suspect statements made after arrest, including admissions, emotional outbursts, and requests for help, are admissible and often shape both prosecution strategy and defense mitigation. Third, force applied in layers, spike strips, verbal commands, then physical control, each documented on camera, is the strongest possible foundation for withstanding a civil rights challenge under Section 1983. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.